Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with the next one.
Yes guys, and in this video we will be reviewing Dining with Curvy.
Deeper. Yeah, so the restaurant actually is named Dining with Curvy, and it is located at 35 Dunrobin Avenue. So if you know Washington Boulevard, if you know Mill Grove High School, you should be able to find it. Yeah, so I'm gonna give a review of probably our journey there, the whole process of getting a table, or the food, of course, number one, the cost, and
The
our whole
ambiance.
and the whole experience. Yeah. So if you want to know if this is somewhere that's probably worth your time, stay tuned. Alright guys, so first I guess we're going to talk about the restrictions, or if we needed to do a booking or reservation, or we could have just walked in, and then I guess we'll let it flow from there.
Okay.
Alright, in the case of actually being able to go to the restaurant, I had called in advance because online I had saw something saying that we needed to do reservations. Although it said online, I still had to call in to ensure. So she said yes, we'll have to book reservations. Yeah. So I'm already on the phone, so I'm like, alright, let me just book it. And then time the curfew never changed from 6 p.m. to 8. So I'm saying, alright, give me 2, because more than likely say you're gonna need at least a 2 hours advance or so, especially because it's a restaurant. The kitchen gonna have a cut-off time. Yeah. So I'm like, alright, book it for 2, because we can be there up until 4 o'clock, spending about 2 hours there, leave and take time reach over by 6 o'clock. So we booked that time. PM say, yo, curfew can go down to 8 o'clock. So I said, damn it now. Go down to 8 o'clock. So curfew got extended, and I was like, damn, I would have really loved to push it back some further. Yeah. But they had called me while I was getting I guess my makeup done, or a video was being done or something. We were doing something. I got a call. I got 2 missed calls, and I called with a number because I'm like, probably it's them. I don't know what's happening, so let me just call back. And they called saying that, yo, if I'm coming for my 12 o'clock appointment. From that time, I knew we weren't going to be able to make it. So I said, can we come for about... Is it a case where I could actually come for 2:30, or is it going to mess up somebody else's timing? And she said yes. So I was like, oh shit, alright, I'll come 2 o'clock. Knowing that, yo, magic would have to work, but we did try to work the magic. Realistically, that never happened. Like, so Orin called back and asked if we can book some, if it's a case where we could just walk on in, or we'd have to book a reservation. She said walking could have come to me and say, wait, somebody never just tell me, say, I have to come at this time. So it have a set off whatever, who else. So when we don't want to talk, but that's what God said, yes, the place will book out, everybody book a table, people is coming, rate a table, blah, blah. So Orin calling, and then sister he said that okay, we can reach at about 3:30. Yeah. That's still never ever work out.
That 3:30 is something they never work.
Them call Orin at about 3:30. We still never make it out, guys. We were doing a lot. Whenever they try to be unreasonable, by the time we were really doing a lot. Things never go as planned. It's real life. Things never go as planned. So we needed all the time that we had. Yeah. So them call back at Orin. So them really did keep up. Them call back at Orin and ask if them still come. After them call Orin and call me back to see if me still come from the 2 o'clock. I was trying to say, yo, because I had, after Orin booked his appointment, I was trying to call on my phone to just cancel mine, because they never did answer. She called me back a separate, which they wouldn't know. And I was calling, they ended up calling me right after them called Orin, and I was trying to explain to her the situation, but she never did understand. So I said, alright, cool. She said, when I put it on for 4. I said, alright, cool, no problem. When we go there, we can explain to them further what we were trying to say. So enough of that now, guys. We finally leave out and I reach now. Continue with the episode.
When you reach place empty, nobody, chair empty. Is a one business meeting. They say I go on outside.
For how long?
And the staff cock up in the pan chair and listen to music and watch football. So, they cock up them. They sit down there chill, because I know place empty.
So guys, there was an outside area as well as an inside area. The outside, as we said, it was just one couple. I don't know what they were doing there. I think they were still there when we left. Yeah. And there was an inside section which nobody was. So I was like, I'm not call on my phone and make it seem like when I do a favor for save the seat for me, and when I try to squeeze me, and you know how much people are coming and have to give a table and all them stuff there. And so many things to the thing are going. If you want to see the place, what's up? Nobody.
Cricket in their church.
Exactly.
Empty. But after the little music and football.
But as I said, but for me personally, I love emptiness. The 2 o'clock, it would have been good because I was thinking 2 o'clock would have been good beside the point before me knowing that curfew would have been extended for say, alright, we have to place ourselves, we can record vlog with no conflict of anybody else, catching or whatever being in there. So I thought it would be good. But the place was empty and I like that same way. We still got to do that. So we're coming, I think the place was nice. It was small. It was located on a compound with I think about 2 other things. I mean, I'm not really that to call it stuck up. I don't really care.
There was a car wash.
And there was some. There's like a gym up there. So so it was the liquor section for the area. It was fine with me. I didn't have a problem.
Inside, it was fine.
It's fine with me. In there was cool, nice. The music I played up in love and regular, I guess.
Jamaican dance.
Yes, all of them something there.
We enjoy it and look at football and play and on TV, so it did nice.
Yeah, and now on to the food or pricing.
No, kind of pricing after.
Alright, we go on to the food. Alright. So the food, guys, if we had done appetizers, main course and drinks. Yeah. So first the appetizers. Orin had oxtail
rolls. I got 2 of those.
And I had ordered a servings of sweet chili wings. Yes.
The sweet chili wings did nice.
It did love it. It did bombing. Nice. It did nice. It did finger licking good.
Yeah, and the oxtail rolls it did alright.
Yeah, it did alright.
It was good. We could have done with some dip in a cheese. Something to think about. Yeah, but it was good. I enjoyed that thoroughly. Because I eat so much of it. How much I eat 3?
Yeah, I was split it up half. Or you got 2 rolls, I took 1. And I got 6 wings and I gave him 3. Yeah, so it was half and half.
Yeah. And for the main course now, Shalika said if I want to is good.
I was okay with mine.
Okay with her.
The only issue with mine, because I had jerk chicken, like penny pasta. The only issue with mine, I would say, is that the chicken was a little bit too chewy. Like it's like you need boil and then you need some, what you call it? Saute. It didn't liquid too much.
And worse a chicken breast. You have to be careful with chicken.
That was the only main issue I had with my main course, but I was okay with it. I liked it.
And I had a
barbecue pig's tail with mashed potatoes
and string beans.
Yeah, some little steamed veg like string bean and carrot on one side.
It never tastes bad, but I don't know, something with my stomach, it never sit good with me. So looking from this, I'm gonna try it. Eat it again. I will bring it home and so I'm gonna try it. But I wanted to throw because as I said, I wasn't feeling good. I don't know if I had the food, but the food never tastes nothing to me, to be honest.
Yeah, I had it and it was good to me. I mean, I wouldn't sit down and eat a whole meal of pig's tail, but just tasting it was good to me. I found it quite alright or quite tasty. Yeah. So I don't think you'll have a problem with like probably your food options. Then now on.
And wait, before you move on to the drinks, if Yanni Curvy Diva watch this video, I want you to give me the number of the person or persons who you may cut them pig's tail because them thin. When I pick them all, I could have looked through it. I don't know how them your chef them bad with for them knives, but there's some more my level of knife skills for there for cut all them pig's tail bone. They should come and put this up them the bone still in the middle. Fine. I said Jesus Christ, but some big pieces in there too, but some of my pigs them thin.
I guess that was a good thing.
Yeah, it did good. It did good. Yeah, it did good. As a chef, I can respect that.
Yeah. So under the.
A main road.
Okay.
Those are. Alright, guys, I know onto the drinks, as Shalika was saying.
Yes. So for the drinks, I had a mudslide and
I had a Miami Vice.
Yeah, and Miami Vice was pretty much
full aroma, nice.
I don't think it was full of rum. I barely tasted that. But apparently I'm a liquor head, so I don't know the difference. Orin had the Miami Vice was like a mixture of, she said, strawberry daiquiri and a pina colada. So it was pretty good to me. I had a mudslide and I enjoyed it, but it can't touch my mix up, people. When we do mix up at Christmas time. When we do mix up Christmas time, guys. I don't think I showed it did I show it in the Christmas vlog? I'm not sure, but guys, stay tuned. Because when I do a Christmas theme episodes them this year, you will see mix
Man,
up.
they gonna do watch.
You will see mix
Watch
up.
the
But
vlog
the mustard was nice. I thought it was very refreshing. It never overly sweet and was full of a beer chocolate and it did taste nice to me. I like it, and I got to end up brought home 2 for some of our family members. So, but no, a mudslide and the Miami Vice for family members. It did good. So we treat them with it. But overall, yes, I'm still separate.
Yes, I was saying something. As you can see from the spa video.
Okay.
And so the summer kick off nice already. So just stay tuned for some more niceness and see what
we do have some more in store.
Some other things in store. May I tell you, we are doing
like some more traveling dead people. So if you don't like, so we'll go up, which I know pretty much what our content has mostly become. Really doing a lot of vlogging. Definitely stay tuned, because I mean, you'll never know. You might see us on a plane. You might see us aside a pool of water. You might see us in a river. I don't know.
Standing in the ocean.
Or standing in the middle of the ocean. I don't know, guys.
So if you are watching and you like the the travel vlogs,
the traveling and the outings and the reviews,
want to see more of that, man, just watch up some ads and put some money in our pocket so we can travel. Because when I have no Patreon and nobody I donate nothing, so look at ads them want to see in the video. Please watch them. We're getting cents on the dime. So please watch them so that the cents can build up into dollars. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, guys.
Yes.
So
back to Curvy.
Yes. So I think that's our overall experience would have been good. I really loved. Yes, I was about to say that. I really loved our server. She was nice. A young lady. I think her name was Kimon. I hope I remember her name. Kimon. She did us good, and she was like, it was a pleasure serving us and everything. I mean, we were videoing. I would have said the whole time. We did a vlog of it, of course. So if you just said the review and it was in the vlog, it will definitely be in the cards up here as well as the description. And I'll put at the end credits them too. So no, we only can't tell them so only them. Oh, I never see their video. We have all access to the video description up here. So and at the end of the video, on our see it as well. So alright, so overall service, guys, I definitely loved it. As I said, our server Kimon, I think she did a very good job. She definitely said it was a pleasure serving us, and it was a pleasure having her serving us.
Yeah, she was pretty nice.
She really attended to us. I don't got a lot of that in the vlog because had it in and out. But she definitely attended to us quite well.
I picked up, she was, even though there was another server, she never been. She go every table and
I think she was the one serving everybody. She was serving inside a current place, outdoor. I know, but
she did go down to them too. So she did all over the place. So
she want to take care of you, though.
She's a very good person to have around.
So you can probably ask Kimon if you go there.
Yeah, if you go ask her, the nice short, slim girl.
So she did a good job with us. So the overall experience, it was good. The music, as I said, it was alright. I didn't have a problem with it. It never too loud for deaf me. We could have still have a conversation. Still have a conversation in there. Was cool and nice. And have a go up place and you can be like, Jesus, my makeup, man. Whoa, I spend my money for my makeup and it's gone. How can we slide back and the glue dry out? Nothing like that. Nothing like that.
Plus, we went in the evening, so even if you didn't go outside, the place cool and nice.
And guys, now on to I guess one of the major things, the cost. So I wouldn't say this is a cheap. Like if you just want to go to like a Burger King price, I love Burger King and somebody not cheap no more. But I wouldn't say it's not Burger King or KFC price. And I wouldn't say it's necessarily it's cargos and champignon price. It probably would have been like a mid-range between that. I think I will probably show a receipt. So if you guys, it's a quick run through of the receipt. So if you guys want to kind of stop and see like what each thing costs, and I definitely took a video of the menu as well. I probably would have put it as a B-roll throughout this video, as well as it would have been in the vlog. So you guys can actually see what's on the menu and all these stuff. And that's the next thing to talk about now, the menu. Piece of printed paper.
Laminate the paper now, please.
That was the only little thing I would have been touchy about, because after a while water does touch on it and it does kind of fade, and that was the problem. I'm not all that uptight, to be honest, but the menu was a piece of printed paper, but
laminated feel looks thick and nice, because I know it go from hand to hand and you can't really sanitize.
Yeah, I just myself with the lamination you could have easily wipe off the.
And go through.
Definitely, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
But that was that, and as I said, so the cost was fair in between. As I said, it's not that if you've ever been to Chilito, I would say Chilito would have been like a more cheap.
Yeah.
No, it's not Chilito's price. Chilito is no. I would say Chilito is one of the more affordable. They on the way level of affordable to me. And then for Hollywood Chilitos, we paid 6,000. Oh God, guys, we did have vlog at Chilito and just never. No, probably we'll bitch up something like Gate 2 or we'll just go back.
We no bitch up things.
We had the videos, it wouldn't be a bitch up thing. Alright, we're gonna just do it over again, guys. We're gonna do over Chilitos. We're gonna do it over and Carrot on with us properly this time. We're getting better with our vlog skills. Yes. But with Curvy Diva, her prices were a little more up there. So you know if you're gonna go there walk with the money. But in all we got what, the 2 drinks plus 2 to go, 2 entrees and 2 appetizers, and we paid around. We have the receipt, $11,265, and we left a tip for, of course, good up by the Kimo winner. Yeah. So I don't think it's as horrible like some places. Some places you spend like good $25,000 for what you don't see.
Yeah. And you wouldn't have to do a shady card.
Yeah, I would breeze with the hotness. Yeah. So I think
Curvy Diva never do that.
I think it was a fair experience. So I did enjoy myself. It was a good little celebration. It was a good little outing. I loved it.
Yeah. And if you just want to watch little football and drink some rum as a meal, you can go there and do that too, no problem, because there's a big screen TV and a bar as well. So something to think about.
Anyways, guys, I think that's pretty much sums up our experience of Danny with Curvy Diva. So you guys can decide from this video if you would love to go, or you know it's something that you would probably put on your to-do list, you know, before when you're coming to Jamaica. You can definitely visit there. I wouldn't,
or even something where you're saving up to as a person in Jamaica. Enjoy your country. It's there for us first, so enjoy your country. So yeah guys, if you have made it to the end of the video, please like, share, comment, and if you're new, subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. Watch the ads and please like the video, it helps. Leave a comment in the comment section, please. I am begging you in the name of Jesus Christ, the Almighty Father, the one I pray to at night before I go to my bed. Thank you very much.
Alright guys, so this is definitely the end of the video now. Bye guys. Bye.